This is previous year questions of average which has been asked in CSAT. Okay, CSAT. Okay, let's start. Okay, there are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers. If 39 is the what mean, the average, right? Now what is the mean of all the 13 numbers? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. We know that mean is the middle value, so I'm going to take the middle value here. It is also given that 39 is the mean of the first five 1 2 3 4 5. So this middle value would be 39, and it is also given clearly that these are two consecutive odd numbers, so two digits rather, two-digit consecutive odd numbers. And altogether the mean would be middle of 13 is 12, right? Middle of 13 is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This should be the mean. Left side and right side, the space would be the same. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, this is the mean. So what is this value? 39, 41, 43, 45, 47. 47 in the option. Yeah, this one. So there will be some other means to solve this problem, but I prefer this way. It involves very less calculations. All right, mean is the middle value. That's the concept. Let us go for the next question. First, we'll delete this one. The next question is this one. Okay, I've come across this problem and then I find it good. This is a good questions. In the first column we have English marks, score by overall marks, okay, of a class. So girls, we don't know the number of girls, so let's take 9G plus 8 boys. It's a weighted average. Girls plus boys will give their weighted average is 8.8. Why do we need to find this one? Because we need to know the ratios first. This implies what 9G plus 8B would be equal to 8.8G plus 8.8B. This implies you transfer this side here, so it will be 0.2G, and then this should be 0.8B. So we'll find out this ratio. G upon B would be 4:1, right? 4:1. Now we are asked to find this X value. That's the average marks in the Hindi. So X equal to 8G plus 7B divided by G plus B. But we already found out that this is 4. So this is 4x or 4y, or you can ignore that part also. A, y, you can ignore. Plus 7 into 1 divided by 4 plus 1, 5. For your understanding, I'll just write. So this is 32 and 7 would be 39 upon 5. Go to 5, 6, 30, and then 0.5840. 6.8. Oh, 5, 7, 35. Come on. 7.8. Yeah. And I find myself funny all the time, making mistakes, I think. Okay, let's go for the next question. Let's delete this one first. Excuse me. Okay, here we go. The average age are of this should not be the item. The average age of a teacher, okay, teacher and 3 students. 3 students is 20 into 3. 20 into 4 rather. 3 students, 3 plus 1. Acha. This is the sum, okay? Sum total of the age. If all 3 students are of the same age, okay, and the difference between the age of teacher and each student, teacher minus s would give 20 years, right? It's given clearly. Then what is the age of the teacher? This simple equation. So you subtract these two equations, this will be gone, and this will become 4s equal to, this is 80, 80 minus 20 is 60, s equal to 4 into 15, right? So we substitute this one here, t equal to 20 plus s equal to, as we know, s is 15, so 35. This is too easy. This 2020 was fine. 21 22 I think CSAT has leveled up the game. I think we have solved 3 questions so far. Let's go to this one. Okay, the average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. So total would be 100 into 40. This is the number of students. It was found that one student were 53, which were misread as 83. So 83 is wrong one. You subtract this one and add the right one. Marks of one student were 53, which were misread as 83, right? So the corrected mean. So mean is given by sum by the number of observations. In our case, number of observations is the same, but this has changed already. The corrected mean would be sum. There is a problem in the sum, so we corrected it. See, we subtract the wrong number and then we add the right number. All right. In this kind of problems, when you stumble upon again next time, just think that if there is wrong in entry, you should think that the sum is already wrong, you know. And number of students remains the same, only 100. So this you divide 40 minus, so this will give 40, 30, right, by 100. 0.3. 40 minus 0.3. This is 7, and then this should be 9, and then this is 3. 39.7. Yeah, good. So easy. You would correct the sum, okay? That's the trick. Okay, the next question. A family has 2 children along with their parents. The average of the weights of the children and their mother is 50. 2 children, right? So 2 children, that's denoted by C, and their mother, the average weight is 50. So this way, sum is 50 into 3. And the average weights of the children and their father. Children still the same, and their father is 52 into 3. And it's also given if the age of the father is 60. This is also easy. 60 equal to 52 into 3. From here we can find out the children. What is the weight of the mother? No? Mother, we don't know. In order to find mother, we need to find out children first. So from here, what do we get? 6, 3, 5, 15, 60 minus 6, and then this would be 7, right? No, come on, this is 9. So C is 96 by 2. 2, 4, 8, then 2 is 16, 48. So we will substitute this one here. M equal to 150 minus 48, 2, 6, 1, 4, 8, 9, 96, 10, 4. Again, is it 5? Yeah, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 54 kilos. 54 kilos. Some simple equations only. We'll go to the next questions. Yeah, this one. We're almost there. We're almost finished. Suppose that the average weight of 9 persons is 50 kilos. The average weight of the first 5 persons is 45 kilos. Average, okay. The last 5. First 5, 3, 4, 5 is 45, and then the average of the third is 55. That means in a way, like this value is counted twice already. So there should be an increment in the sum, no? So we're going to subtract it. That's the trick. So the sum of the 10 students would be 45 into 5 plus 55 into 5. So someone has been counted twice already. The average weight of this person is counted twice. So this consists of 10 students and 10 persons, and so we're going to subtract 9 persons. Then we will get the weight of the fifth one. So this minus 9 into 50 is equal to 5 common, 45 plus 55 minus, and this can be written as 5 into 90. This is 5 into 100 minus 5 into 90. So 100 apples minus 90 apples will give 10 apples. 10 into 5, so 50 kilos is the answer. I think we have solved quite enough problems already. That will continue. Okay, the average monthly income of a person in a certain family of 5, okay, is this one. So total salary is this one, 10,000. What will be the average monthly income of a person in the same family if the income of one person is increased by 1,20,000 per year? So for that guy, monthly would be monthly increment. This is the increment by 12, right? So for 1 month increment is 10,000. And then what will be the average monthly income of a person in the same family? So family of 5. So 5 into 10,000 plus this is incremented divided by 5. Should be 10,000, and 5 divided by this is 2 is 10, 3, 2, 1. So this A is the answer. 12,000. No, yeah. Short and sweet, and also easy. But this one I can give you some trick also. Sum of observations is increased by, okay, 10,000 has been increased. 10,000 will be distributed to all the 5 family. So 5 to certain 2,000. So for each person is like 2,000 has been increased. So if there is any change, suppose x1, x2, x3 are the number of observations, and if this gets increased, the average value also increase by this same amount, 2,000. So what is our average? Previous average was 10,000. Increment value is 2,000. No, increment value would be distributing for, okay, 2,000. So if we have proper understanding, I think we can even calculate in our mind. Next question is income done, this one. A person is standing on the first step from the bottom of a ladder. If he has to climb 4 more steps to reach exactly the middle step, how many steps does the ladder have? This kind of question is conceptual. So person is here, standing already on the first step. This is 1. And he has to climb 4 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 more steps. Exactly to reach exactly the middle step. This is middle. So I told you, if this is middle, the number in the bottom and the number in the up will be the same. So 6, 7, 8, 9. This should be the total. And the question is asking to find the total number of steps. Yeah, this is. Since they are in arithmetic progression, it follows a particular pattern. Difference is like 1, here also difference 1, here also different 1. So answer is 9. If you just draw the diagram correctly, this should not be a problem. Average is all about middle value. Okay, let us go. I think we are left with just one more questions. Yeah, this one. A student on her first test, 3 tests, received an average score of n points. So total score will be 3n. 3n. If she exceeds her previous average score by 20 points on her 4th test. Okay, yes, she has given 3rd test already. Now the 4th test. 4th test, she should increase, from the previous score by, previous score was n, and average score by 20. 20. Previous average score was n, and she needs to increase by 20. Then what is the average of the 4th score? Yeah, this divided by now already 4 subjects. So this is 4n divided by 4 plus 20 by 4. This is equal to n plus 5. This is the answer. Okay, this much for today. Thank you, everyone.